Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new office. When it will be 100% done, I'll make sure to give you a tour around to see what I've done. But until then, because we have a super nice weather outside and the spring is here, by the way, the spring is my favorite season, I thought about making a nice and interesting video for you girls. How to wear a shirt in a 5 stylish ways. And having 5 different outfits. So for that I'm gonna use this shirt right here. This has a plain design, pink color, and it's a classic kind of shirt. And I'll show you how you can style this shirt up in 5 stylish ways to achieve 5 different outfits. So if you want to find out more about this, then please keep watching. So this is my outfit number 1. You need to wear the shirt off the shoulders, gather it together at the waist, and I have white crop top underneath and of course a mini skirt. This will give you a relaxed vibe but still fashionable and super stylish, and it's great if you want to make pictures for your Instagram but still feel super comfy and ready to go. Outfit and the second way to wear your shirt. The first part needs to be on the shoulder and this sleeves needs to be rolled up. It's a super simple way to roll up your sleeve, just roll it as you usually do, but I like, instead of rolling it too high, to do it a little bit like this, so it will look more loose and you will feel more comfy. It won't hold your hand so tight. And for the left part, you can wear it without rolling your sleeve, like if you want to more fashionable, like you have one rolled up and one just like this loose. But if you're going out with your friends for a coffee or a juice or something like this, you can roll up your sleeve also. So this look is a little bit more officey, but it's also stylish, also fashionable, also perfect for this amazing weather that we have outside. So this is my second outfit. I'm combining this shirt styled up like this with a top and with a pair of medium waist white trousers. You can combine it with whatever you want underneath, but I thought that a top is best for this look, because if you are wearing it with a t-shirt you will be able to see this sleeve and another sleeve, and that won't look good, of course. This is my tip number 3. The third outfit is to put your collar up. As you can see, I rolled up my sleeves again, and my shirt is not buttoned up but it's closed here, just putting one layer over the other one. So if I'll take it out, it will be just like this, and you just put one part inside your trousers and the other part just over it, and this button up only in one place here. And with your collar up, and this outfit works perfect with a ponytail. My hair is quite short right now, but it's still looking good. This is a perfect outfit for the office as well. If you're working in the fashion industry, then you can go to work just like this. But the main idea of this outfit is that you need to have high-rise jeans. As you've seen in my previous tip, I was wearing medium size. Why you need high-rise for these ones is because everything goes inside at your waist area. So because you're using your shirt loose, this will create a bigger impression of shoulders, like will give you a more powerful look. So this is perfect for you girls that you want to achieve a powerful businesswoman kind of look for your outfit. Number 4, as you can see, it's a little bit more sharp kind of look. This is perfect for the days when you need to get things done. You need a more serious look, but you still want to look fashionable and stylish. Like a boss babe, you want to update your outfit wearing a shirt, but not the same way as everyone else is wearing the shirt. So the tips behind this look is that obviously I button up my shirt one button lower than it was supposed to be. This will make your color look a little bit more stylish, more in a wrong way, but still looking good, giving you a little bit more dimension, a little bit of interesting looking, like this is buttoned up wrong, but it's buttoned up wrong intentionally kind of look. And I button up it up until I reach my level of the trousers, and then of course the part that is loose needs to be the part that is buttoned up, not the other way around, because otherwise you'll have here something crazy looking. So it needs to be like a super natural flow kind of look, where you think like, oh, this is such a nice outfit. So yeah, I like it very much, obviously. So these are my tips. You button up your shirt one lower than the other one, so your color will stay like this without you doing anything. And then you put this one loose and this one in your trousers. The one that is in the trousers, it's obviously the one that is longer, and this one is the one that you button it up, not the other way around. Okay, so you put this one in your trousers, you got this look here, but what about the sleeves? In my previous outfit you also saw that I roll up the sleeve, but what is different from that one's is that the way you roll your sleeve at this outfit, you roll it in a more manly way to achieve that powerful look. So how you will do this is just roll your sleeve the highest you can, one time like this. Then all the fabric that is here you will roll it again, but not this one, only this one you roll again, so you have it rolled twice here. And then the part here you will just roll it over the end of your sleeve, over your end of the sleeve like this. And then you'll have a sharp end here. This is a more manly kind of rolling up your sleeves, and gives you a little bit more masculine vibes. So this is my tip number 5, the last tip that I have for you. So the secret behind this outfit is that I button up my shirt until the last button, and the collar is not flat completely. This is how it will look with the collar flat. But what you can do is raise your collar and then put down just the front parts. Just like this. Another thing of this tip is that, as you can see, I have the long sleeves, but because this is a little bit more loose kind of shirt and you still want to achieve that sharp looking outfit, my tip is that you need to turn your sleeves inside out, just a little, just the first part, just the first harder part, and then just pull it up like this. And of course in the waist you button it up wherever you feel comfortable, and wherever you have the length of your trousers, and just you put it together like this, as you all already know how to do. This outfit works best if you pull your hair up. I'm put my hair just in a ponytail, and this is the way that you want to accentuate the color that is high but still looking nice and sharp in the front. watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which one of these tips is your favorite one. Also let me know if you tried out any of my ideas. And if you're interested and want to know more about fashion, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.